Prepped Pack Lunchbox with modular food storage containers and chopsticks set. Lunchtime, it's the most difficult time of the day to control what you eat. Eating out, or getting takeout, can get costly, and it's virtually impossible to know exactly what's inside your food. And that's where the Prepped Pack comes in, a revolutionary new take on the humble lunchbox. From planning and preparing your lunches, to tracking your food's nutritional value, Prepped Pack and its integrative app makes the entire process easier, more enjoyable, and less wasteful. Beautifully designed, it's uncompromisingly modern, consisting of a main case that houses a versatile modular system of containers and smart magnetic cutlery. The removable modular containers are central to Prepped's functionality. Corresponding to each day's needs, these individual food compartments can be combined in multiple configurations within the Prepped Pack. Made from the highest quality materials, the containers are food-safe and completely leak-proof. The immersive app makes prepping your lunches for the weeks ahead simple. The app has been developed by partnering with professional chefs and nutritionists to create an evolving library of recipes tailored to fit a broad range of diets, appetites, and health goals. All available recipes are designed to fill the modular containers perfectly, making meal prepping less complicated, and, by eliminating unwanted food waste, more efficient. Homemade lunches are infinitely healthier, keeping both you and your wallet in better shape. With the Prepped Pack you can enjoy a delicious lunch and save money. An intelligently designed, beautifully crafted lunchbox and smart recipe app. Get prepped and kickstart your healthier lifestyle. Click the link below to check this amazing product.